Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today we're going to be making keto French fries. You're going to need coconut flour, xanthan gum, shredded Parmesan cheese, coconut oil to fry, and water. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, we're going to go ahead and add in 1/4 cup of our coconut flour. We're going to add in about 1/3 cup of our shredded Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese is going to make your French fries to be nice and crispy. We're going to add in 3 teaspoons of xanthan gum. The xanthan gum will help the French fries to have structure and to hold together. We're going to add in 7½ tablespoons of hot or boiling water. All right, now we're going to go ahead and blend up all of our ingredients, and we're going to form our dough into a ball. All right, now we're going to wrap up our dough and let it sit for about 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes has passed. We're going to go ahead and unwrap our parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and work on flattening out our dough. So I'm going to be using a Ziploc bag. Be sure to get a large Ziploc bag. This is the only size I had, but that way your dough does not stick to the rolling pin, and go ahead and just roll out your dough so that it is nice but not too flat, because you do want to get a nice size French fry. All right, now we're going to go ahead and just cut off the uneven edges of our dough and then get started with slicing up our French fries. I'm going to be using about a half a cup of coconut oil, and I want to make sure that my french fries are halfway under the oil and not completely. We're not deep frying. So put enough in where it is right in the middle of your french fry. If the oil is bubbling around the stick, that means the oil is ready to start cooking your french fries. Be sure to cook your french fries for about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides or until golden brown. These look so delicious. I did sprinkle a little sea salt on top. Feel free to sprinkle whatever you want on top. Serve it with any dip you will like and enjoy.